Welcome to PlantDoctors. What we are doing this morning, we're going to make a nursery mix or a mix for plant bags, which is the fabric grow bags or plastic grow bags for indoor growing or growing high quality crops. What we're going to do, we're going to take the Cocopeat now and expand the Cocopeat. This is 1 5 kg block of Cocopeat, 1 5 kg block of Cocopeat, and it's wrapped in plastic. This is the PlantDoctors HydroAqua brand, and look for that brand anywhere you go, in the Caribbean, in Trinidad and Tobago or Miami. So we're going to expand this Cocopeat. We're taking it from the bag now, and we're going to put it in this tub of water. This is exactly 15 gallons of water, and we're going to put this Cocopeat with it dry and was dehydrated, and now we're going to place it in the water and it will expand. When this water is expanded, when this Cocopeat is expanded, when it's expanded, one block will give you that on the ground there. One block of Cocopeat will give you this amount. This amount now, we add something they call Perlite, horse Perlite. We add 2 gallons of horse Perlite. This is a 4 cubic foot bag, selling for $225. You come on the PlantDoctors, you get for $200. And we add horse A3 ovary certified Vermiculite premium grade. We also add 2 gallons of this. So these are both for organic use. The Cocopeat is fully organic. So now we put 2 gallons each of Perlite and Vermiculite into this mix. So here we have a 2 gallon that we sell here for $50, and we add now this 2 gallon in a bucket, and we stir it over the spread it evenly. And we also spread this 2 gallons of Vermiculite together with that. So Louis and Mark is going to spread that. They keep their hands low and they spread it over there. In the meanwhile, this was put at least 1 minute ago, and it's expanding. So we'll water this while we mix this set of potted mix here. So your hand low, Louis, low, low, low. Very low, Louis, go down low. It's carnival. Right? Now what we add 1 pound of Azomite. Azomite is the A to Z of nutrients. We add 1 pound of Azomite to that mix. So Mark will do that now. In the meantime, what I'll be doing, I will be mixing 6 tablespoons of RootBoost. This is RootBoost, and this has mycorrhiza. This is an organic material again. So what we are using fully organic here. So whatever you are growing, it will be organic. So we add 6 tablespoons of Azomite, RootBoost or thing. Then you want to water here. So we check now. I've got one trim and a 5 thick, a hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We also add 6 tablespoons of Decral. This is Decral, also organic. And what it do is kills all fungi, bacteria and viruses in your mixture. So when you start with a very clean mixture. So you add 6 tablespoons of this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So we done, wet this mixture with this. Somebody wet it. In the meantime, we have our Cocopeat here is expanding, and you can see what there, just like that. It takes the time. So I say, okay, 2 minutes have gone now. That's 2 minutes, and this is expanding. Look what the water is 2. Right? So it's the soak will come out like this. So let it soak for itself, take its time, and then. this is how it breaks up here. Easy and nice. So within 6 minutes, it should be expanded. Put some little water in that and finish it. Put some water in that. So while we're doing this now, we're going to mix this mixture. We're going to take this truffle and mix it up, and I'll show you the end result in a moment. So in the meantime, this is the Cocopeat fiber soil here. This is the Vermiculite. This is the Perlite. And just to inform you, we also sell irrigation stuff, and that is Riverless D5000 and AquaTrack. Wet it. Right? And take the chopper and now start mixing. And my chopper. So and then we have ginger going in a wicking bed here. We have basil. So come you can get a nice basil plant for $25 with a bag of Cocopeat fiber soil and Perlite. And we have kale in a deep water culture. So mark it out mixing. Right? So this mixture will be ready in a few minutes. So we're making this now and we're pulling it in bags. So we're back to the Cocopeat now. And here we are. So 3 minutes have gone now. And we try to do this Cocopeat now. And there you see it's breaking up what over here. Yeah, just take it on there. Hey, watch it. What do you want? I just do that. What was that? Yeah, what was easy? No hammer, no shovel, nothing. And what the mixture that Mark is making here? This is a mixture with 1 block of Cocopeat, 2 gallons of Perlite, 2 gallons of Vermiculite, 1 drum of Azomite, 6 tablespoons of Decral, and 6 tablespoons of RootBoost seaweed. All fully organic. And you could grow any plants in this, my friends. One place only to get this is PlantDoctors HydroAqua at 7 Canary Street, Esperance in Philippines. Go to our website, PlantDoctorsLTD.com, or visit our Facebook page at PlantDoctors Hydroponics Aquaponics. And this is, it says now, it's now 5 minutes and 2 seconds, and 2 things I've done here. One, the mixture for indoor growing is ready, and the other one is that the Cocopeat now, one cup of Cocopeat has been expanded, and this is what you get. This is what you get here. Well, you go on there, you get another one here. This is it here. You see, my friends, Cocopeat. PlantDoctors, HydroAqua Cocopeat, all the way from Decral in India, from Perlite International to PlantDoctors in Trinidad and Tobago. Come and get it here now. Sold in Trinidad and all Caribbean islands and in Florida. Thank you. Off and off.